Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use less data on iPhone. So here, if you want to activate use less data mode, you just need to go into the settings options here, and after you generate it into the settings, you will see a lot of sections that you can choose here to set your iPhone. But since we want to use less data, please focus on this side only. Right, and after that, please go into the cellular section and you will see the cellular related information here. Please go into the cellular data option, and then after that, please focus on the low data mode in the middle part here. You just need to turn on this mode so that your phone will be in a useless data mode. You can see the active mode will be signed by green color here. If it's in a black or gray color, means this mode is off, but if you click it into the green, so low data mode on your iPhone is active. So that's all the way how to use less data on iPhone. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.